Political pundits predict Prime Minister Andrew Holness will call a general election this year. The rhetoric at recent political rallies suggests the JLP and PNP are in election mode. Both have emphasized the importance of youth. But how do the youth feel? TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has the final part of a Primetime News series gauging perspectives from youth leaders.
Just how important will youth be in the next general election?
I think young people will be very critical to the success of either parties in the next election. Jamaica has a very youthful population, and so if you look at how that turns out, they may very well make or break the party that takes the next general election.
President of the UWMONA Guild of Students, Christina Williams, observes increasing efforts to recruit youth.
Especially because we see how young people have gotten, I would say, increasingly become more valuable to political parties. They have tried to tap into young people through tapping into popular culture. We see the terms like Most Honorable Brogard being used. We see them using more social media platforms to engage young people, as well as trying to encourage more young people to get involved in the different youth organizations for the respective parties.
But she feels young people should be cautious.
What I would say, though, is that young people must use this opportunity to ensure that they get what they think is necessary and relevant to their, what would you say, for their population from the political parties. So it shouldn't be that you're just giving up your vote because someone is engaging you on social media or engaging you through popular culture, but you should actually be seeing changes being made that will positively impact your population, and based on that you decide to vote for this particular party.
In the meantime, Everton Ratcher believes young people still don't trust the Jamaican political system.
I think there is a certain mentality towards politics that our young people have that is not necessarily, I would say, the best for the country and the development of our nation long term. And as such, I do believe there needs to be a change in the mentality that we have as young people. I think we need to understand that we're the voice and we have a opportunity to really shape and influence the country that we want to live in.
For Sujay Boswell, many educated youth ultimately want better paying jobs.
Even though we've had a downward slope in unemployment over the past few years, I still think that the jobs aren't the most meaningful jobs in terms of the pay that they're getting. It's good and well that they are being engaged. However, I still think that there needs to be some look at the wage disparity.
There's so many different things that different young people want to see. So I think the politicians have to tap into what are the different needs and try to, as best as possible, provide sustainable solutions to addressing those needs. And I think young people will see that, respect that, and then may decide to get involved.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.